Now it's easier than ever to order genuine cat parts, tools, and accessories for your cat equipment. Here are just a few ways to locate the parts you need online. First, open your browser and visit parts.cat.com. You can browse from the list of categories located in the center of the homepage. Or you can select a category by clicking the Categories section at the top of the screen. Choose a category for your specific repair or maintenance need. Next, you'll see subcategories to further refine your search. Choose the subcategory that fits your need. You can filter by product categories and select part specifications by clicking Filter and Sort to narrow your search results. You can also find exact fit by entering your equipment serial number or model in the Add Equipment box. If you already know the part you need, you can bypass these steps by entering your part number or part name in the search bar on the home screen. Once you've found your fit, choose your quantity, then add to cart and check out. Buy everything from maintenance and repair parts to tools and attachments online at parts.cat.com.